Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss one important property of cube, that is, look, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc happen. How it will be? Look, here is given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So you can take this c on that side, this will be minus c happen. Now the cube on both sides. So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and this one will be minus c cube happen. Then a cube plus b cube, if this c cube comes to this side, left hand side, this will be plus c cube happen, and if this 3ab into a plus b go to that side, this will be minus 3ab a plus b happen. Clear? Now we already know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then a plus b will be what happen? Minus c happen. So we can put in the portion of this a plus b as a minus c. So what it will be? 3ab into minus c. So our answer will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Clear? So this is our formula. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 happen, then you can directly use this formula. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Look at one example like this. Question number 8.2. Here is given, you have to find 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 cube. Now look at here, can you use this formula here? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then obviously you can use this formula. Clear? So right here, since a is given here 7, so a, b is given here 3, and c is given here minus 10. So if you add them, what you will get? You will get 7 plus 3 minus 10, it will be 0. So now you can use this formula here, because a plus b plus c is 0. Now we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc happen. Therefore a is given here 7 cube plus b is given here 3 cube and c is given here minus 10 cube, and it will be equal to 3abc. 3 is here 7, b is here 3, and c is here minus 10. So our answer will be, there is 30 and 7 to ja 21, 21 into 3 will be 63. So minus 630 is the answer. Now go to our next problem, question number 9. In question number 9, there is given if a not is equal to 0 and a minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3. So find the value of a square plus 1 by a square, and number 2 a cube minus 1 by a cube. So what to do here? Here is given a plus 1 by a is equal to 3 is given. Firstly, you have to find out a square plus 1 by a square. So you have to use here square formula. So we know that a square plus 1 by a square, that means a square plus b square. Do you know this formula? A square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. You can use here this formula. So a is represent here a and b is represent here 1 by a. So it will be nothing but a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2ab. b is taken here 1 by a. So a will be cancelled out, and here is a minus 1 by a. What is the value of a minus 1 by a? That is 3. So 3 square plus 2, it will be 9 plus 2. So 11. Clear? Now go to next one. So question number 2 is given here. A minus 1 by a is given. You have to find out a cube minus 1 by a cube. So you know the formula. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So you can use this formula, because a is taken here a and b is taken here 1 by a. Now a cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to a minus b whole cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a minus b whole cube is given here 3. So this will be 3 cube. A will be cancelled out, and 3 into 3 happen 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So 27 minus 9, it will be nothing but 18. Here in this way you can do question number 10, 11, 12. So these 3 is your homework. Thank you everyone. Here is plus happen, so it will be 36 happen.